Did you know that aloe vera has been used for over 6,000 years by various cultures for its healing powers? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are talking about the incredible aloe vera plant. I'll walk you through its benefits for your skin, digestion, hair, immune health, and even how to use it safely and effectively at home. You will also get some DIY recipes, so stay tuned, you won't want to miss these tips. Now let's talk about aloe vera for skin healing. Let's start with the skin. Probably the area where aloe vera is most popular. Aloe vera is known for its smoothing, cool properties, making it a top choice for treating sunburn. When you apply fresh aloe vera gel to sunburn scales, it helps reduce inflammations and helps a cooling sensation that provides almost instant relief. It assists in skin repairs, helping reduce redness and irritations. Another powerful benefit of aloe vera is wound healing. Research shows that aloe vera can actually help wounds heal faster and minimize scar. Its anti-inflammatory properties makes it ideal for treating cuts and burns. And if you are looking for something to keep your skin hydrated and youthful, aloe vera high water content and vitamin C, vitamin E works together to moisturize and reduce the appearance of fine lines. So whether you got dry skin or sensitive or aging skin, aloe vera got you covered. The next is aloe vera for digestive health. Do you know that aloe vera helps for constipation? And this with digestive issues. Drinking aloe vera juice can help smoothen the digestive tract and reduce uncomfortable symptoms. Aloe vera ability to coat the lining of the stomach and intestine makes it ideal for smoothing infections and reduce irritations. It contains antioxidants that support health and improve immunity. When your digestive system is functioning smoothly, your whole body's benefits. Next is aloe vera benefits for hair and scalp. Moving on to hair care, aloe vera can be a lifesaver for your hair and scalp. Aloe vera enzymes and vitamins nourishes the scalp by reducing dandruff and itchiness, further balancing the scalp pH level. For those with dry skin, using aloe vera gel directly on the scalp can bring noticeable relief. It doesn't stop there. Aloe vera properties reduce breakage and promote a healthy shine. Try it as a pre-shampoo scalp treatment or mix it with your favorite hair oil. It will leave your hair feeling softer and healthier. The next is immune system and detox. Aloe vera isn't just good for skin and digestion, it can benefit your whole body. One lesser known benefit is that aloe vera is alkaline, which means it helps to balance your body's pH. This effect can reduce inflammation in the body, leading to improved energy and overall health. Aloe vera is also known for its detoxifying effect, especially for the liver. When you consume aloe vera juice in moderation, it can help detoxify your liver, one of the most crucial organs for filtering out toxins. But remember, moderation is the key. Let's look at the practical tips on how to use aloe vera. The DIY recipe, doing it yourself. For your skin, try a simple face mask by mixing aloe vera gel with a spoon of honey and a pinch of turmeric. Apply it, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off for a natural look. For digestion, blend a teaspoon of aloe vera gel with cucumber, a few mint leaves and some pineapple chunks. This refreshing drink is great for smoothing the stomach. For hair, use aloe vera gel as a pre-shampoo scalp treatment. Massage it into your scalp, leave it for about 20 minutes, then wash as usual. And remember, if you are using aloe vera internally, always consult with your doctor, especially if you have any health conditions or you are pregnant. I hope you found this guide on the healing properties of aloe vera leaves helpful and inspiring. It's amazing how something so simple can have such a profound impact on our health. If you are inspired to try aloe vera for yourself, let me know how it goes in the comments. I did love to hear your experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find these tips helpful. And stay tuned for more natural health and wellness tips. I have got a lot more coming up, so make sure to hit that bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.